Hello and welcome to Data Vlog. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I will show you how to use Sumif function in Microsoft Excel. Before I proceed with this tutorial, it's my humble request, kindly subscribe to my channel to keep supporting me. Sumif function. As the name suggests, Sumif has two parts, sum plus if, which means we are going to sum up a range of cells when a condition is met. Let us see with an example. I have this small dataset with the different care plans, the number of patients for each of these care plans, duration per patient, and total duration. I want to find out what is the total duration took for surgery care plan. For that, I'm going to start typing the sum formula equal to sumif. We have sumif here, press tab, and you can see the hint suggestion sumif range of the cells where you want to look at the criteria and what criteria you want to filter down and what do you want to sum up, the numerical column which you want to sum up based on the criteria. So here I want to find out for surgery. So I have surgery in this column and the criteria to filter down is surgery, comma, and what I want to find out, total duration. Select this entire column, close the parenthesis and hit enter. It's 690. Let us verify it. For that, I'm going to enable filter for this dataset. For that, just press Ctrl Shift L and I'm going to sort this from A to Z. And we have surgery in 3 instances. In these 3 instances, just highlight these cells and you can see the sum here in the previous section, 690. So our formula is working fine. In this particular instance, we have given the surgery manually. We have entered the criteria as a text value. But what if you want to make it as a dynamic value? For that, I'm going to delete this particular cell. I want to create a list of this care plan. To create a list in Excel, you just need to go to the Data tab and under the Data tools, you can click on Data Validation and select List. I want to create the list of the care plan. For that, I am selecting this entire column. It will automatically pull out unique values from this column. Click on OK and you can see these care plans, assessment, surgery and wound management. Now I'm going to write down the formula in the next cell, which is equal to sumif tab and my criteria is in this range. And what is my criteria? This drop down box, comma, what I want to sum up. I want to sum up total duration, close the parentheses and hit enter. Now I haven't selected anything here, that's why you are seeing 0 in this cell. Let's select this drop down and when you select surgery, you will get 690 and when you select assessment, you will get 795. When you select wound management, you will get 2155. That way we can make the sumif function in Excel a dynamic one. So far we have seen how to calculate the sum when a particular condition has been met, and for that we have given a manual criteria and as well as we have given a list as criteria validation point. But what if you want to use any logical condition? For that I will show you another example here. I'm going to delete this value and as well as the drop down. For that I'm going to data tools and I'm going to change it to any value. Delete this. Let us start typing the sumif formula. Now I want to find out total number of patients that took duration more than or equal to 300 hours. For that, my range is total duration because I want to find out patients that took total duration more than 300 hours. Comma. And the criteria here is greater than or equal to 300 hours. You have to keep the logical function always in between the quotes. So that's why I have opened the quotes greater than or equal to 300. I'm closing the quotes, comma, and I want to find out the sum of patients. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. And I got 69 here. Let us verify it. For that, I'm going to open this filter and I'm going to sort from largest to smallest. And we have to find out the total of patients for 300 and above. For that, I'm going to select this range of cells. And you can find the sum here in the previous section as 69. So this way we can use logical condition within the sumif function to sum up values based on certain condition. That's all folks. That's a quick tutorial on how to use sumif formula in Microsoft Excel and some advanced tricks that you can use with sumif function. I hope you enjoyed this quick Excel tutorial. Please do subscribe to Data Vlog for more Excel tutorials, and I will catch you in another Excel tutorial. Thank you.